guess what the copay is for? I told you about this episodes ago about a thing called a copay, right? You get a nervous twitch when you hear that? Copay, right? Think about health insurance. Well, this shit's already happening in certain parts of the country. Body shops are actually billing customers on a copay basis. So on top of your deductible, you get a copay. Well, guess what the copay is for? It's for all the shit that the insurance company decided I didn't need to help to fix your car. So these other guys in other parts of the country said, well, we can't do this anymore. Profit margins are shrinking, have shrunk incredibly, and now they continue to shrink. I can't stay in business. So here's a copay. And you have to sign that before the repairs even start, which means you owe me $500 on your deductible, and you're going to owe me X amount of dollars on the repair because the insurance company simply will not give it to us.